Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on airplane mode on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to network and internet. Okay, tap this. And network and internet. Okay, you can see below the airplane mode. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. To turn on your airplane mode, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, this is the one way to turn on the airplane mode. And okay guys, the second way to turn on your airplane mode, okay here in your home screen, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And okay guys, here you can see some icon here, and you can find the icon of airplane mode by sliding to the left. And okay, here you can see the airplane mode icon. So the airplane mode icon is off. And to turn on the airplane mode, okay, you'll have to do is tap the airplane mode icon to turn on. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the airplane mode on your Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.